Greetings, people of
Marley.
People of Marley, and welcome to another video. Your cap's come off.
Is this part 2?
This is part 2 of the series of 1 videos.
Snort.
We're going to Simon's.
Yeah, Simon's here. But
Yeah.
we're not going there.
No, we're going to a different Simon's.
Simon Easton.
Yeah.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Well, good morning on this Friday, this lovely sunny Friday morning. I'm expecting a couple of dear friends to come and help me today, try and get Dolly back together. I can hear them, and there they are. Hey! You made it while it's still morning! It's not often you get to work with such professionals, and today's no different. Look, Alex is doing some welding.
Yeah. Well, I'm not. I'm cutting and grinding and making plates. Sorry, I think I'm asking. I just made this one. Hang on. Sorry, I'm sitting on everything.
What?
Where's it gone? Well, I did make a plate. Oh, it's up there. I painted it.
Oh, that looks posh.
Painted it World True Primer.
Okay, what's the difference between normal primer and weld-through primer?
Normal primer like sets fire and.
Alright, okay.
And shit.
And
that's-
weld-through doesn't?
No, it's got like zinc in it and stuff. I think.
Oh,
No. Read the can.
there's some flies here, look.
Ugh. But that panel
This panel.
is going here.
Oh,
If it wasn't wet with paint, I'd show you. But we're going to go over this for strength,
yeah,
and
yeah.
it's going to lip over because it's meant to have a lip. So you're meant to be able to grab something. So it's going to overlap here,
Okay,
and there'll be a lip round here.
very nice.
So I'm looking forward to that. And then this one, we want this one to sort of disappear a bit. So we're going to butt that in because there's no strength. So I'm sort of shaping that so
Yeah.
it'll go in there nice.
Looks good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Have you welded anything yet?
No, not yet. I've got to see what that welder's doing.
Look, it's like a spaceship.
So there's no point in firing that thing up until I've got the panels ready.
It's like a spaceship, and you can listen to music while you're doing it. It's not really, right? I'll go and show you what I've been doing. So these are the old uprights and hub assemblies. I think you just call it hub assembly. So obviously, well, I don't know why there's 2 sets, to be honest. But anyway, we're replacing these brake pipes and the whole thing. Simon's had all these powder coated and they look very shiny, so I've just made up some copper pipes and bolted everything together loosely with these nice new braided hoses. It's not my best copper pipe bending attempt. They're not very symmetrical, which is a bit disappointing, but they'll do. And then the other job I'm doing, oh, Fudge is here. Hello, Fudge. Oh, close up of Fudge. Extreme Fudge close up. Fudge. The other thing I'm doing is all these plasticky black panels, mainly the splitter bit, had been painted. So we're getting rid of the paint that's been on there with some really strong paint stripper stuff. This stuff, don't drink it, you'll die. And then we're gonna rub all the paint back off. So I've already done back of that, and you see it's come off quite well. And just keep adding a bit to these. Like that one's pretty good, but this one's still got loads of stuff on it. So what I actually went to the car for was blue roll, and I ended up grabbing camera and everything. So I should go and get the blue roll. Look, Simon had this powder coated as well, the front subframe. Look how cool that looks. That's like super, super nice. And he's put poly bushes in all these bits. So the handling should be transformed. Oh, look how it just eats through this rubbish. Ew. I don't care.
I don't remember that bit in the video.
Magic 69.
And on the plus side, no one owns a Land Rover, it owns you. Happy? I'm happy.
I thought it were going to be a video in broken down or something. Yeah.
Can we magnetise it to the crate or the pasty? Oh no!
Have another one.
Oh my goodness, you can't take her anywhere.
Oh, I don't know.
Will the cats eat them?
The birds will,
Oh,
yeah.
that's right. I'll have a couple off the floor.
At least you've not dropped a clanger.
I've not dropped a clanger.
Not yet, anyway. Yeah, so this is a bit of Bedfordshire then.
Okay.
Oh, it's a Bedfordshire
It's a
thing.
Bedfordshire thing. Not that I'm from Bedfordshire, but Gunn's Bakery in Sandy make these clangers. And the idea is they're a bit like Cornish pasties, really. They've got a savoury end and a sweet end.
Yeah.
But
They're long.
They're long, yeah, and different shape.
Where's the name
So,
clanger come from?
I don't know where the name clanger comes from. All it says here is... if I read you about them, it says that Gunn's Bakery, a family-run bakery based in Sandy, is one of the last places in the country to bake the local delicacy of the Bedfordshire clanger. Originally, the clanger was made by the women for their menfolk labouring in the fields, and was basically a boiled suet roll. The modern-day clanger is baked with a suet crust to form a complete meal with a savoury filling at one end and a sweet filling at the other end. So there you go. So,
and do you get choices of fillings?
They do. So this is obviously the standard one is a gammon and apple. Okay, but they do other fillings. And what I've got here, I've got some vegetable curry ones. I have got some beef ones and some of the gammon ones as well underneath. So. And I'll have a. I think I'll have a. I'll have a beef one.
How do you know what's in the other end?
Well, I don't know what's in it. I said when I picked these up, I said what's in it, and she didn't know. So I said it would be a surprise then. I think I've got a beef one here, but I've no idea which is the sweet end and which is the savoury
No.
end.
Well, I've got
It-
some
it-
holes where curry looks like it.
Yeah, but
There's
that
no
looks like
no
curry, that
indication here on the actual.
I'm going to go for it. Curry.
Oh,
I'm going in here.
Oh.
Mm.
What you got?
Just pastry.
just pastry.
Doesn't get out of the box
He
from
never
much, does it?
comes out. Never. Only because you invited him.
He looked quite happy.
He's very happy. Although he did turn his back on me at one point.
Who's Dave going to talk to you now?
A cat.
So, we have cleaned up all the plasticky bits. I would show you the splitter, but Simon's took it somewhere. So I should have got some of these that he's going to put on Dolly at some point. Well, apparently the hubs and everything are different, so yeah, he's going to need to swap them around if he does. So, yeah, I think that's about it for today. In fact, let's go and have a look what Alex has been doing, because that'll be far more interesting than what I've been doing. We're measuring stuff. So we want to see which is thinnest, this piece or this piece.
That's right. So let's have a look.
So we've got a little micrometer.
Spin it round. What's that? One. Is that a half or a one? 1.5.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
That. That's
Yeah,
proper
because
old
that goes
school.
up to 5, doesn't it? So that's half, 1, 1.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, I agree.
This is probably the same size, isn't it? Oh, that looks thicker.
It does look thicker.
Doesn't it? And perhaps I'm not holding it properly.
Oh.
One and slightly thinner.
Is it?
Yeah, this is thinner.
So we'll use this then.
Yeah, because that's 1.3.
And that other one were like 1.5 or something.
Yeah, that was 1.5. So that's slightly thinner.
Well, test prove it.
Yeah.
Oh, going for a third one as a control.
.25.
Oh. So that's as thick as this one then.
Yeah. Same as this, I think. Give or take. Yeah. Look,
Yeah.
That's gone to 1.25. It can't be that accurate, can it?
No.
That's 1.25. So anyway, yeah, take that one.
So
then.
I'll use that one.
Yeah.
If that's the same. I could just use that.
There we are.
Well,
Oh,
there we go.
That's good, isn't it? Yeah, just right, really, isn't it?
Exactly.
Almost the right shape.
I don't even know why she bothered doing the paper template, to be honest.
Yeah.
Thank you. You gonna what?
Have a pull. That's handy.
Handy! I've been doing some welding. Behold the mess. I didn't do them 3 bits, they're Alex's bits. But I did all these. I was just faffing about here. Some of these were alright, I think. They're a bit blobby. That one's alright. That one's alright. That one's alright. Yes, very first attempt. dark. Are we finished for today?
I think so. I'm really pleased with how it's gone today. So much has been done. So we've got most of the welding's done.
There's less holes in
Less holes in the car. Painting under the, in the
did
wheel
you
arches.
see it?
I've not seen it yet.
Got torch.
Oh, there's another cat.
Who's that?
Oh, that's
Oh,
Frank,
it's
isn't it?
Frank.
Yeah, that's
Frank.
Hello, Frank.
Yeah.
Hi, what's he got on
This
his now?
E-Tech paint. It's gone on
E-Tech's
really well.
amazing.
Yeah. But you can't see, can you? Because that
It's black.
it's black, but it's gone on really well. Might give it another coat with what's left.
Very good.
But you know, we're in a good position to get the subframe back on.
We'll have that.
Hopefully, we'll get the wheels on.
We'll have that done by what, 10:30 tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are we doing about breakfast?
You can. Well, I can cook you something. Yeah.
Can you?
Yeah. Eggs and something. Eggs, scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs and toast.
Eggs with avocado
Avocado.
on toast.
Suits you, sir.
Yes.
I won't forget.